trail here. It's pretty nice actually. A lot different than the other trails I've been doing today. Oh, look at that cool little meadow. So glad that wasn't steeper. So my thing is right now, like, it was such a long winter, fall, winter, and spring, and I haven't been up in the mountains, and like I'm catching myself just wanting to look at nature and like take it all in instead of like, you know, ripping it. It's just so, everything's so green right now. It's really hard to ride because I keep looking just at the beauty of everything and trapped inside too long. Oh, this trail is nice. Yeah, this is such a cool trail. I'm gonna watch those steep ones. It was a couple weeks ago, I was on a trail and got to something really steep and I'm like, ah, it's fine. Nope, almost went over the bars. I was like straight up and down on my bike. And I don't know how my wrists and shoulders took it, but they did, and brought it back down. So now I'm extra careful. Thank you for not breaking anything. That was a little sketch. Yeah, there's no way I can ride 2 days in a row right now. Woo! Just trying to ride all day today. I'll be worked tomorrow. I just haven't been riding. Woo! Hardcore switchbacks right here. This has been fun to go up. Oops. Trying to get neutral. Turn you guys back on when it gets exciting. Stopped and got my face wet, my hair wet. It's hot out there. It's not as hot on the west side. On this east side of the mountains, whew, dude, it's blazing. Such a cool little area. I had to stop though. I think I have my purifying straw. I've always wanted to try it, but I still got a lot of riding to do. I don't want to feel sick if it doesn't work. I should carry on. Whew. Oh, that's so much better. Oh my goodness. Oh, I should have dunked my shirt. Oh, so good. Oh, dude, I didn't think there was a trail there. I was like, what? Yeah, that's epic. Dude, it's such a cool trail. I think streams are so cool, but I do. Dude, this is an epic trail. That was sick.